Assalam Alaikum. Welcome to my channel Learn with MU.
Once upon a time, in a lush and exciting forest, there lived a curious little boy named Oliver, with rosy cheeks, twinkling eyes, and a naughty smile. He was known for his love of adventure. Oliver had a unique connection with the forest, as if it were his own delighted playground. Every day, Oliver would wake up to the soft whispers of the wind and the sweet melodies of birdsong. He would eagerly step out of his cozy treehouse, which he had built with the help of his animal friends, and greet the forest with a joyful heart. One day, as Oliver ventured deeper into the forest, he fallen upon a hidden glade decorated with vibrant wildflowers. Among them, he discovered a tiny, injured fawn with soft, caramel-colored fur. Concern filled his eyes as he carefully approached the gentle creature.
Nice to see you again. In today's video, we are going to explore a charming topic, that is creating animated videos using Chatgpt. Yes, you heard it right, as you can see in the start of the video. With the power of Chatgpt, an advanced language model, you can now bring your ideas to life in the form of attractive animated videos. So if you want to make kids animated stories with the help of AI and earn money by uploading those videos on your YouTube channel, then this video is going to be very special for you. Because this video will guide you through step-by-step process of making animated videos like a pro and earn money by uploading them on your YouTube channel. So let's dive in and unlock the world of animated storytelling with ChatGPT. In the first step, we will generate story for our video using ChatGPT. Open the website chatopenai.com, create an account or login to access the ChatGPT interface. We start here by forming a clear and concise prompt. The prompt sets the context or provides the initial information for the conversation with ChatGPT. We enter our prompt in the text input box provided on the ChatGPT interface. Say we write generate a story of a cute boy living in a jungle. Then click or press enter to send the prompt to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will generate a response based on the input it received. You can click on regenerate response if it does not meet your expectation. As you can see here, story is being generated for us. You can click on regenerate response if it's not much attractive or rewrite the prompt in a different way. As you can see, we got our required story in seconds. After getting your required story, the next step is to generate images for our story. Many tools are available to generate images, but right now I will use Canva website to generate images for my video. So open the Canva website to convert your story into an animated video in a few easy steps and in less time. You can generate as many images as you want. Now what you have to do is to create a blank new video of 1920 by 1080 pixels. After loading the new video interface, we can see text to image option. Just go to the text to image tab. If it is not appeared on the right hand side, you can find it in the apps tab. Next, we just do copy paste work. Copy the text from the ChatGPT website in small paragraphs and paste it in the text to image text box. Select style as 3D model and aspect ratio as landscape. Then click on create your image button. Amazing images are being generated by Canva, as you can see, and you will get your images in very high quality and in seconds, depend on the net speed. You can generate images, as many images as you want. If you are not satisfied with the result, just click on create again button. So you can repeat this process by pasting small story parts by copying it from the ChatGPT website to generate images accordingly. After you will get your images, we just do drag and drop Drag the images to make the video. You can add more pages by clicking on the plus sign. Resize the images to cover the full screen or use the option of set image as background. You can drag pages before and after each other and set their position as you like or according to your video content. Make sure to add all the pages which you want to add. You can check your video is being prepared at the bottom of the page. So you can easily generate as many images as you like according to the video length. After adding all the images and setting our video and adjusting pages of the video, we do some small setting to our video. Set the timing of your video page by using the timing option above. For now, I am setting 3.5 second time of page and check mark the option of apply to all the pages. We also apply transition between pages to give our video a smooth flow. You can check different transition options which are available here. Check all the transition one by clicking on it and apply the one which best suits your video. I am applying here match and move transition and set its duration as 1.2 seconds. We also apply animation to our pages by using the page animation option. You can check all the animations one by clicking on it and apply the one which best suits your pages. I am applying here the breathe page transition, set its scale as out and apply to all the pages of my video. Canva also provides you the option of adding different elements to your video to make it more attractive and charming. A wide range of elements are available here. You can add them according to your video requirement. After setting all the images and elements, our animated video story got ready. It's time to add voice to our video. To convert your story to voice, different options are available. There is a website kiradoai.com. Just go to and open it and log in this website. After you log in, an interface will open in front of you. Click on the three dots and select AI tool. Now just select the option of AI text dubbing as we are going to convert our text to audio. We just copy the text of our story and paste here with the limit of 800 words at a time. You prepare your whole audio file like that and then just download it. You can do voiceover for your video in your own voice by using Force audio recorder. First you have to install this app on your mobile from the Play Store and then in a small silent room start narrating the whole story by pressing the recording button on the app. Now just save this file and upload it in the Canva website using the upload tab and in the audio section and add it to the animated video. Kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. If you do not want to do voiceover, you can simply add music to your animated video. Music is also provided in the audio tab of the Canva website. You can find the audio tab on the right hand side. If you are unable to find the audio tab, you can search it in the apps tab. You can select any audio music and add it to your animated video like this. I play this video and you can listen.
There's a place I have found in the shade on the ground, far from all worries and troubling sound. When I go, there's a place I have found in the shade on the ground, far from all worries and troubling sound. When I go.
There is another exciting option available for adding voiceover to your video. You can use CapCut software to convert your text of the story to audio. as you can see in the start of the video, it is done using the CapCut software by using the option of text to speech and select the voice of a charming woman and just convert it into the audio by pressing the button of start reading. If you want to learn more about the CapCut software, leave a comment in the comment section. As our all steps are perfectly done, we can simply download our video in the Canva website by clicking on the share button, then click on the download. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Subscribe for more videos.